Bapdada also said earlier that now, according to the time, you specially need the power to tolerate and the power to face any problems or situations in your actions. They are not only necessary for your thoughts and words, but also for your actions. Bapdada has seen in the results that you do have the powers. It isn't that you have no powers, you do have them. But why is there a difference? There's a difference in your abilities to use the powers in the right way and at the right time.
यूज करने में कार्य में लगाने में अंतर पड़ जाता
You do have the awareness, but you do not put that awareness into a powerful form.
समृद्ध स्वरूप में नहीं लाते समृद्धि ज्यादा है
There is more awareness, but sometimes there is less power, and sometimes it is fine. Your awareness has enabled you to claim your right to the inheritance, but it is the power of each aspect of awareness that makes you victorious and into a close bead in the rosary of victory. Become embodiments of those powers. You do have them in your minds and intellects, but you have to become an embodiment of each power and reveal all the powers in every task of yours. You celebrated the day of remembrance very well. Your powerful form. Through each word of yours, let others become powerful. Let them experience power. Let your words not be ordinary. With every word, give them the experience of the blessing of power that you have received. With your mind and intellect, your elevated thoughts, and accurate power of decision making, create a powerful atmosphere. Even in ordinary activity, let your powerful form of an angel be visible. Let there be the experience of being double light for yourself and others. Is it like this? Therefore, as you walk and move, be an embodiment of power and give power to others.
दूसरों को समर्थी दिलाओ ओम शांति
Om Shanti. We welcome you in Avyakti Parivar. Today's day 8. Have a loving intellect in order to become a victorious jewel. Today's topic is Srimad in the mind. Full thoughts that oppose Srimad in their minds. Those who have such loving intellects become victorious jewels. Do not have love for bodily beings in any way. Otherwise, you will come in the list of those who have a divorced intellect. Now we will listen to Moini Didi.
Om Shanti.
Om Shanti. We all, we finished our 10 days journey. We were in Toronto and from all the places the instruments had come. It was a very good meeting. And in 12 days, when I came back to Baba's home, I went to Baba's room. I met the whole family. In 10 days, I didn't remember that I didn't leave. It was like my own world, godly family, Brahma Bhojan, Toli, all different programs. It was very nice. And I felt that's it is sustenance is really needed. Means different programs happened, many skills. Everybody should know everything. How to read the Murli, how to do the course. Everybody do their own way, but I felt that we should do something else also along with that. Then a little bit services should be done for professionals also. So it was good programs, and I felt that what all the godly family needs. First of all, they need love. Secondly, they need sustenance. And it is like many souls are ready to surrender, but they need directions, they need guidance and everything. Because the time has come that there is not much time left, and along with the time, we have to wrap up also. Baba said that you have to surrender and you have to use it in a worthwhile way. You have to wrap it up and then surrender also. Everything is Baba's. And then how to use it in a worthwhile way. That is also very important. This Baba gave the direction that nothing of ours should go waste. Now Baba is saying that your thoughts also shouldn't go waste. Time, wealth, relationships, nothing should go waste. So for that, everybody has to think carefully and see. Then I said, Baba said that there will be growth also. And then there are facilities also. Everything is there.
तीसरा
Prosperity is
समझना
there.
वो
And
भी
third is power.
लेकिन उसकी परसेंटेज तो बढ़ानी पड़ती।
But that percentage has
तो
to be
चर्चा
increased.
बहुत अच्छा रहा।
So it was very
तो
good.
आज तो
We had
बाबा
a good time.
जो हमें कल के लिए होमवर्क दे रहे हैं,
Today, Baba is giving us
होमवर्क
homework
में
for
दो बातें
tomorrow. Is
होती हैं।
in homework there are two
एक
things.
स्टडी किया,
One is to
फिर
study,
चेकिंग की,
then you
फिर
checked,
अभ्यास किया।
and then you practice.
होमवर्क एक अभ्यास है ना।
Homework is a
अगर हम
practice.
दिन में ट्रैफिक
If
कंट्रोल
in a
या
day we
किसी
do
समय पर
traffic control,
कुछ अभ्यास जरूर
and
करें,
at a certain time, if we do
इसलिए
some
क्या
kind
अभ्यास
of
करना है।
practice, that is
सबसे
good.
पहले
So,
हमने
first,
सुना,
what we have to
क्या
practice
सुना
is that
कि
whatever I
हर
heard,
संकल्प भी
that
श्रीमत के विरोध में ना हो।
each and every thought, it shouldn't
न
be an
संकल्प
opposition
भी
of Srimad.
व्यर्थ संकल्प,
There shouldn't be
या
waste
बाबा ने कहा
thoughts,
विकल्प। विकल्प तो
neither
कितने आते
sinful
हैं, बड़ी
thoughts.
गिनती के नहीं ना,
How
विकल्प
many
तो नहीं
sinful
आते
thoughts
हैं।
are there? Sinful thoughts don't come.
बिल्कुल कभी कभी जैसे कैसा
But
होगा,
sometimes, like,
मेरा
how
क्या
will it
होगा,
happen?
पार्ट
What will
क्या
happen for
होगा,
me?
ये थोड़ा थोड़ा
What will
आ
be my
जाता है।
part? So that
तो वो
sometimes comes.
विकल्प ही हुए ना।
So those are sinful
और
thoughts.
व्यर्थ संकल्प ना हो।
And waste thoughts you
तो ये
shouldn't
व्यर्थ
have.
और विकल्प पे अटेंशन।
So, waste and sinful
बाबा
thoughts, we have to
कहते हैं
pay
कि
attention.
सदा
Baba
प्रीत
says,
बुद्धि है,
those who always have a loving
बुद्धिमत्ता में
intellect
भी
cannot have any
श्रीमत के
waste
विपरीत
or sinful thoughts
व्यर्थ
that
संकल्प
oppose
व
Srimad
विकल्प
in their
नहीं आ सकते।
minds.
जैसा
Those
सोचोगे
who have
वैसा
such loving
बनोगे।
intellects become victorious jewels.
तो बनना क्या है,
What we have to
आपकी
become,
परिस्थिति क्या है,
what is your
एक
situation?
तो ये है, पर मुझे क्या
One is this,
बनना है,
but what I
ये
have to
स्पष्ट होना
become,
चाहिए।
that should be
इसलिए
clear.
बाबा कहते हैं
Do
कि
not have love for bodily
अगर प्रीत
beings
बुद्धि है तो
in any
आपकी
way.
मनसा में भी श्रीमत के विपरीत व्यर्थ संकल्प व विकल्प नहीं आ सकते। ऐसे
So
प्रीत
those who have
करने
such
वाले
loving
कभी
intellects become
विचलित नहीं
victorious
होते।
jewels.
पार कर गए, पास विद ऑनर हो गए ना,
You
विजयी
became
रतन।
pass with
कहाँ
honor.
भी
You
किसी भी
became
प्रकार से
victorious jewels.
कोई
Do
देहधारी
not have love for
प्रीत
bodily
नहीं,
beings in any way,
प्रेम
otherwise,
सबसे रखना है।
you will
किस
come in the
प्रकार सबसे
list.
रखना है,
Have friendship with
पर
everyone,
प्रीत क्या होता है, वो दिल की होती है।
have love for
वो
everyone,
हम
but
एक
don't
बात
have
याद
that
रखें,
love
एक
from the
बात है,
heart for anyone.
भजन तो सबसे इतना बाबा से,
Have only
जिसको
one
जितना
that love
बाबा से
for
प्यार मिलता
Baba
है उतना वो
as
प्रेम
much
स्वरूप
as
बनता है।
you
और
will
जो प्रेम
have love
स्वरूप
for
होता है वो
Baba,
दूसरों को
you
ज्ञान
will become
कराएगा,
embodiment
रियलाइज
of
कराएगा
love,
ना।
and others will
तो
also
राइट
experience
संकल्प
that
क्या है
love. So, what
कि
is the
बाबा
right
से
way?
प्रीत रखो,
That have love for Baba,
और उस प्रीत में प्राप्ति का अनुभव,
and in that
शक्ति का
love,
अनुभव, खुद
experience
स्नेह स्वरूप बनते
love,
जाओ। आज
experience
बाबा बार बार कह रहे
powers,
थे
become
स्वरूप
an
बनते
embodiment
जाओ,
of love. Baba
अव्यक्त
is saying
मुरली
again and
अनुभव
again
बनते
in the Avyak Murli,
जाओ। जब
become an
स्वरूप बनेंगे तो
embodiment.
दूसरों को क्या
When you
अनुभव
become
होगा,
an embodiment, what will others
स्वरूप
experience?
बनेंगे तो दूसरों को क्या
Others
अनुभव
will,
होगा।
what will others experience when you become embodiment of love?
तो बाबा ने कहा कि
So Baba
विजयी
said,
रतन बनते हैं कहाँ भी किसी
you
प्रकार
become
से
victorious
कोई
jewels.
देहधारी
So do not
प्रेम
have love for bodily
प्राप्त
beings in
नहीं
any
न
way,
हो,
otherwise,
नहीं तो
you
वो
will
प्रीत
come in
बुद्धि
the list of
नहीं
those who have a divorced
पा पाएंगे।
intellect.
ओम शांति।
Om Shanti.
अव्यक्त मुरली रिवीजन
Avyakt
1969
Murli
से
revision from
ज्ञान
1969
के रतन
onwards.
और
Jewels
स्नेह
of
के
knowledge,
मोती।
pearls of love. Avyakt Murli.
अव्यक्त वाणी तारीख है 23
Date
जनवरी
is 23rd
1970।
January 1974.
अब शक्ति सेनाएं
Title is Now
को
Make the
साइलेंट
Name of
बनाओ
Shakti
प्लीज।
Army Powerful.
आप लोगों का एक
Stopping
सेकंड
for
भी
even one
रुकना
second of you
साधारण
souls
बात
is not an
नहीं है।
ordinary thing.
क्या
Do you move
अपनी
along considering
जिम्मेदारियों को
yourself to have
चलते
such a
हुए
responsibility?
विशेष स्थान
Because of
पर
being at a special
अविशेष
place,
स्थान के
You are in everyone's vision. So when, according to the drama, you have the chance to play a special part at a special place, you should move along, giving that much importance to your special part, should you not? If you do not give importance to yourself, then neither will others give you that much importance. This is why you must now recognize the importance of your part. You must not, you must now not even have the thought that you do not have any responsibility. If others are able to have a contract on seeing you, then you are the ones who inspire them to have that contract, are you not? It is understood that if the preparations for establishment are lacking, how would the preparations for destruction take place? The two have a connection between them. To think that you will be ready on time is also wrong. If you don't have the practice of making preparations over a long period of time for facing the great destruction, then you would not be able to be successful at that time. You need to practice this over a long period of time. Otherwise, why have you been given so many years of practice? It has a connection with a long period of time. This is why, according to the drama, you have been given a long time for making effort. In order to attain an attainment for a long period of time, you also need to make an effort for a long period of time. Have you made such an effort over a long period of time? Should we order the great destruction from the scientists? It is a matter of just 1 second. As soon as they receive the signal, they will do it. Is the Shakti army ready in the same way? It is a signal of just 1 second to constantly be soul conscious. Acha, Murli will be continued tomorrow. Om Shanti.
ओ प्यारी दादी हो न्यारी दादी सबकी दुलारी है हमारी दादी हमारी दादी
Pantamana with honors pass.
Completion means to pass with honors and become karmatit.
तो ये 6
So these 6 months that we have been given, every day, don't think it's 6 months. Think from today, from my mind, words, actions, drishti, and attitude. Are there any subtle waste thoughts?
मैं कोई भी सूक्ष्म भी वे संकल्प तो नहीं बाप के
I am benevolent like the Father.
कल्याणकारी हूँ बाप
Father is the example in front of us.
तब हम
Only then
चाहे
we will become
कर्मातीत
karmatit,
चाहे हम विकर्मातीत
karmajit, and become part of the rosary of victory.
अथवा विजयंती माला में आए और यही
It
स्थिति
is through this stage that we gradually become an angel like Baba.
इसलिए ये
This is why
संपूर्णता की
we
स्थिति
make an
की
effort
विशारद
for
करेंगे
this completion
तो
stage.
कभी कभी जो
Then all the tension,
उदासी या
worries, or
टेंशन
sorrow that
आज
sometimes
होगा
comes will
सब
end.
खत्म रहेगा कुछ टेंशन नहीं
There is no tension.
इसके लिए भी बाबा
Even for
हमें
this,
समय की
many times
सूचना
Baba
देते
continues to
हैं
warn us about the
कि
time.
बच्चे
Children, looking at the
समय को
time,
देखते
now
उनको
have unlimited disinterest and remain beyond.
बेहद के वैरागी अथवा उपराम रहेगा जितना बेहद के
The more we have
वैरागी
unlimited
रहेंगे
disinterest,
अर्थात
renunciation,
उपराम रहेंगे
meaning we stay beyond,
उतना
the more our
ऑटोमेटिकली
pilgrimage of
हमारी
remembrance
याद
will automatically become
की
powerful.
यात्रा पावरफुल होती जाए और ये शरीरी बनने
This easy study of becoming bodiless
की
is what
हमारी
helps us in
संपन्न बनने
becoming
में मदद
complete.
इसलिए भिन्न
This
भिन्न
is why Baba has
बातें
given us
दी है
different ways and points so we can
अपने
reach
लक्ष्य को
our aim.
सितंबर को थी जन्मी